Welcome to 420RX Cannabis Cooking and Confectionaries. Here's Jamie.
Hi y'all. Today we're making THC infused white Russian fudge using 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup plus 2 teaspoons of Kahlua or Sabroso coffee liqueur. Mix that up well. Setting that aside, going to use 12 ounces of white chocolate chips, microwaving them for 90 seconds in 30-second increments, stirring in between. I'll add my concentrate to my melted chocolate and mix that in well. I'll now add my melted chocolate to the cream cheese mixture in my bowl. Once thoroughly mixed, I'll transfer that into my prepared pan and smooth that out before putting it into the refrigerator to chill for 4 hours. I'll be cutting my fudge with a pastry blade. You could also use a sharp knife. 64 13-milligram pieces. Enjoy!
Be sure to subscribe to this channel for updates and notifications whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.